Hello, my name is Zach. I've been plumbing for about 21 years.
My name is Morgan.
Hi, I'm Caleb.
I'm Kaylee.
And the worst plumbing experience I've ever had
I was with my apprentice. We were hammering a sewer line. We went through some soft blockages, which is full of toilet paper and poop. Just imagine a spring coming out of a hole. It flung up. It actually sprayed my apprentice in his face, and his mouth was open.
I actually went to a house with a clogged toilet and found a pair of dentures in the bottom of the toilet.
We were doing a waste street pipe on a house. We had just cut out all of the piping, and apparently the customer forgot we were doing that today and decided to flush the toilet. There was a sizable turd that fell into the trench we had dug under the house and then flowed downhill. It was definitely pretty disgusting.
I had a very overzealous helper, and he wanted to try to take the cleanout cap off. By the time I was able to get down into the basement, he was already taking a hammer to the cleanout cap. All of the wastewater that was held in that stack blew this young man off of the ladder, and it was probably the most disgusting thing I had ever seen in my entire career.
Happy World's Plumbing Day.
Happy World's Plumbing Day.
Happy World's Plumbing Day.
Happy World's Plumbing Day.